When thinking about restaurant, what type of restaurant comes to your mind?
What type? What do you mean type?
Italian, Chinese.
Chinese.
Tapos, where did you learn the restaurant you have mentioned?
Yung Chinese.
Apa,
So may fan.
family. What restaurant advertisements you have seen or heard for the past 6 months? Ah,
Food chain.
hindi po, fine dining.
Fine dining.
Wala.
Parang none.
Na.
None.
Given a chance to eat in a Filipino-Italian restaurant, will you consider it?
Yes.
Thus, what type of restaurant do you usually prefer to eat? Chinese. For what purposes why you go and eat in a fine dining restaurant?
For the different. Why lang?
Apa.
Okay. Sometimes because of my friends, they want to eat on the place. Sometimes naman trip lang or gusto ko lang. I want to taste the certain food.
Tapos, who else in the family usually eat in a fine dining restaurant?
The whole family.
Full family. So what type of restaurant you will not prefer to dine in? Arabic.
Arabic food. Japanese food.
What restaurant did you last dine in?
Kahit hindi
Fine. Hindi kapag.
Ano restaurant yun? Ang pangalan nun? Sa Hyatt Casino. Magkano na pangalan ng restaurant na kinainan ni Boss Daddy? Diyan sa Hyatt. Diyan sa Menet. Hanggang ganun.
What size of serving you usually order? What estimated price did you pay in your last dining? Yung sa family.
Sa family,
Okay.
less than 45,000.
Tapos, last na po. If you will see an ad or just a restaurant serving an Italian Filipino food, are you going to dine in? Why and why not?
Why? There's no why? Yes, I will. There's no harm in trying. If the price, if the food is okay, why not? At least I can share to my friends kung okay. Kung hindi naman, hindi na ako babalik.
Okay na po.
Na. Dahil na, kaya.
Okay, thank you po.